Good afternoon all. Welcome all of you to this live lecture. ये सेशन में हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जून 2023 CSIR-NET पार्ट ए क्वेश्चंस. ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है ना? Yes. So most important 30 questions from June 2023 CSIR-NET exam, that is what we are discussing. And today we will be starting with the logical reasoning section. कल और next classes में we will discuss about the quantitative aptitude topics also. So let us start. Please invite your friends also by sharing this link to attend this session live or recorded. You can invite your friends. ये सेशन सारा स्ट्रीम्स के लिए कॉमन है, लाइफ साइंस, मैथमेटिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस, फिजिकल साइंस and earth science. And for the new people, my name is Christy Varghese. I am the author of the book CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook, which is the current bestseller book for Part A section of CSIR-NET exam. This book is available in Amazon and Flipkart. In the description of this video also you can find the link of this book. And if you want to get full-length training for aptitude section, CSIR-NET General Aptitude section full-length training if you want, this is the present complete course, recorded video course available in Christy's classes mobile application. Check the description of the video to get the link. Otherwise, in Play Store you can find the link. And this is the details of the course. With this course, now you can get free study materials, flashcards and other free study materials. ये course भी सारा streams के लिए common है, all these 5 science streams. And by attending this course, you will get practice for GATE, SET and other PhD entrance exams also. और ये course का structure ये ऐसा है, 55 recorded videos होगा, हर week 5 video upload होगा. That is how the schedule is made, so that all every week you can complete 5 video and complete all 55 lectures in a proper structure. और ये 55 videos में सारा theory, previous year questions, practice questions all will be included. And everything you need for aptitude section will be covered in this proper structured course. And these are the 500 rupee worth study material available with the course. 100 online flashcard, 50 online study material, 50 online practice worksheets and 10 test series. And this is the complete schedule of the course. Everything you need for CSIR-NET aptitude is covered in this single course. And these are some of the reviews of my previous complete courses I have scheduled. I have completed in different platforms. So that's it. If there is any doubt regarding the courses, you can comment on this video. We'll update you, or download the mobile application Christy's classes. There you can find all the details. And if you want free study materials, these are the links, or these are the details of the free study materials. And those of you who are checking for free videos of CSIR-NET Part A, in this channel you can find a lot of videos on CSIR-NET Part A and GATE General Aptitude, UPSC CSAT and many other interesting video. For speed maths or Vedic maths also we have provided free courses. So check it out in this channel. Subscribe the channel so that you can get updates of all the upcoming free classes, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any live class update. So GATE exam के लिए complete free course भी दिया है. Those of you are preparing for GATE, if you want training from me, complete free course is available in this channel. CSIR-NET का complete course is available as a paid course in the Christy's classes mobile application. So as I told in the previous series also, general aptitude में 4 major topics है, but maximum questions आता है quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning unit से. Data interpretation से 1 or 2 questions आ सकता है. General science nowadays it is asked very rarely. 0 to 1 question is coming in the last 3 or 4 years. That is why general science, if you skip also it is okay, because to learn general science you have to spend many hours. Still we cannot say from which area questions will come. So these 2 areas we will cover more in detail. आज के लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेगा लॉजिकल रीजनिंग यूनिट, क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दैट. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग मींस these are the major 12 areas or 12 topics on logical reasoning, 11 topics on logical reasoning. From these areas questions can come, so I'll show you one by one each questions. And these are some of the flashcards related to logical reasoning. When we discuss questions, we will discuss more about it. These flashcards are also available as a online study material in the mobile application Christy's classes. So let us start with the first question. This is the first question we are discussing. Make a try, 2 minutes to try. उसके बाद हम discussion करेगा ये questions के बारे में. So please try this question, all of you. Some of you already got an answer. I will explain. Mary and Mike are married to each other. John is Mary's mother while Douglas is Mike's brother. So for clarity on blood relation question, this is a blood relation question. For clarity on blood relation question, you can use blood relation tree or family tree to understand the question better. Uske liye these are the symbols I am using. If the person is a female, I will use a circle. If male, square or rectangle. Spouses means husband-wife relation with each other. Spouses means 2 lines. Siblings means brother-sister relation by a single horizontal line. Vertical line means parent-child, that is father-daughter, father-son, mother-daughter, mother-son, these relations. So this diagram explanation is given in this flashcard. Go through it. So the same way I am trying to draw here. Mary and Mike are married to each other. So Mary married to each other means they are spouses. Mary and Mike is the male person, Mary is the female person. John is Mary's brother. John is Mary's brother. Brother means sibling. So single horizontal line काफी है. So Mary's brother is John. So John is male person. So I am using a rectangle to represent. While Douglas is Mike's brother, Mike's sibling, and Douglas is brother of Mike, so rectangle I am using, so Douglas here. So in a gathering of 2 children of Mary and Mike, 2 children, so I will call them say A and B. Mary and Mike means they are married to each other, so their common children are A and B. So they are children, that is why we are adding them in the next generation or below line. This is one generation, this is another generation. 3 of John and 2 of Douglas. 3 of John, 3 children of John, I will call them PQR. And 2 of Douglas, so I will call them X and Y. 2 children of Douglas. The number of first cousin pair. Who is a first cousin? I hope all of you know. Siblings, children are first cousins to each other, that is mentioned. Cousins means what? Your parents or your grandparents or, your grandparents or great-grandparents or great-great-grandparents should be common. Then only you are cousins to each other. First cousin means your grandparents are same. you have the same grandfather and grandmother, those people are called your cousins. Are you all agreeing? Your father's brother's child is your cousin. Your father's sister's child is your cousin. Your mother's brother's child is your cousin. Your mother's sister's child is also your cousin. They all have, you and they have the same grandparent, same grandfather and grandmother. Great grandparent means grandfather's father or grandmother's father or grandfather's mother or grandmother's mother. They are great grandparents. If your great grandparents are same, that is called second cousins. Second cousins. Again, that much particular I am not going. In this question, first cousin only is asked. About second cousins and all, we will discuss in detail in a detailed lecture on blood relation. Anyway, itna clear hai? So, first cousins maximum kitna, number of first cousins kitna people hai? Let us start from A, because A and B are the common factors for the other cousins. A का cousin है ना PQR, are you agreeing? क्योंकि A's mother Mary, Mary's brother John, John's children, mother's brother's children are your cousins na. Your mother's brother's children are your cousins na. Think about that persons or that people in particular. Your mother, your mother's brother, that brother's children are your first cousins. Same way A का first cousins है PQR, वो तो clear है ना. A का first cousins है PQR. सेम वे बी का भी, ए का फर्स्ट कसिन है तो बी का भी फर्स्ट कसिन्स होगा ना, क्योंकि ए एंड बी सिबलिंग्स है. सिबलिंग्स आर द सेम फर्स्ट कसिन्स इटसेल्फ. सो बीस फर्स्ट कसिन्स आर आल्सो पी क्यू आर. मतलब फर्स्ट कसिन पेयर लिखा तो ए पी इज अ फर्स्ट कसिन पेयर, ए क्यू ए आर. सिमिलरली बी पी बी क्यू बी आर, ये भी फर्स्ट कसिन्स है. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. Now, any other first cousin pair available? Yes. A and X are first cousins to each other. A's father is Mike. A's father है ना Mike. वो father का brother Douglas, वो Douglas का child. Your father's brother's child is your first cousin ना. So that is why AX भी first cousin है, AY भी first cousin है. Same way BX और BY भी first cousins है ना. All of you understood? So total first cousins are 10 in number. Any doubt, please mention. Any doubt about anything? Again, this question you can take it personally and analyze. I mean, you can think about your father's brother's children, your mother's brother's children. They are your first cousins. That will make better connect to the question. So, this is how to draw blood relation tree. That also should be clear. And in case if any of you have doubt, I don't know whether you have doubt, those of you are watching live or recorded, in case you get doubt regarding why PQR and X and Y are not first cousins, because they are not in a family, they are in two different families. They have a common factor A and B. PQR are think about your mother's side first cousins and your father's side first cousins. Are they related to each other? No, na. For example, your father's brother's son and mother's brother's son. These two people may not have even seen each other. Maybe they have seen maybe on a family function of yours. But otherwise, they don't have any blood relation at all. Na? Father's brother's child, mother's brother's child, they are two different family. They have a common factor, you, because they are cousins to you. So maternal cousins, paternal cousins they are. That is why they are not cousins to each other. So option C only is the correct answer. A very interesting question, June 2023. So June 2023 में blood relation का एक और question दूसरा पेपर में आया था. This was that question. Very simple question. All of you try. of you got an answer? I'll explain. What is the largest number of father-son pair that can exist in a group of 4 men? 4 men means you can arrange like this. A, B, C, D. A's children are B, C, D. So father-son pair AB, AC, AD. 3 pairs are possible. Now you may say there are many other arrangements, but in all other arrangement, the answer will be same. Like A son B, B son C, C son D. Son, to represent son, I am denoting the rectangle. In this case also, father-son pair is 3 only. Whichever generation they are, maximum number of father-son pair only will be 3. Option A. Those if you got other answers, are you clear? Or if you have another answer, you can mention that in the chat. We will discuss about it. Sirf 4 men hai, that is why father-son pair maximum can be 3 only. All clear? So that was another blood relation question, which was little more straightforward question rather than more people and more. This is one question for you to try as homework, blood relation. One more question asked in one more paper. I want to cover maximum areas of logical reasoning. That is why this question you can try as homework. Now, patterns completion या series formation. GATE exam में भी ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड एक टॉपिक ही है गेट एग्जाम में. CSIR में स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड मेंशन नहीं किया है, बट द लॉजिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर is same as that chapter. I mean the things that you should know. So you should know about rotation, translation and flipping. This question, try it. Most of you got an answer. Let's see. A square paper is folded twice to a square shape, one for the area of its original square. Then equilateral triangles and circles are cut as shown in the figure. So, yeah, there is one more sentence missing. Question is asking, how will the figure look like? How will the figure look like? That is the meaning of the question. मतलब ये square paper unfold किया तो कैसा होगा figure? That is what we need to find. Just a minute. Okay, so that is what we need to find. So when you unfold it, when you open it like this and like this triangle, there will be an equivalent triangle here ना, and this circle there will be an equivalent circle here, but ये circle यहाँ right है, so यहाँ वो left होगा. That is called flipping idea. Flipping. There is a horizontal flipping that is happening. Horizontal flipping that is happening. Same way, triangle circle यहाँ पे triangle right and circle left होगा. Are you all understanding this? Like this. Triangle, triangle, circle, circle. Flipping will happen. Same thing happens to the bottom also. And now, unfolding it this direction. Vertically unfold किया तो क्या मिलेगा? Same way, mirror image, kind of mirror image itself. This is called mirror image in spatial aptitude. इसका mirror image यहाँ होगा, इसका mirror image यहाँ होगा. Mirror image means there will be a hole like a mirror image. And इसका mirror image यहाँ होगा, इसका mirror image यहाँ होगा, and this one will be here, this one will be here, and that will be the correct figure. Which option says so? You can do elimination also parallelly. ये देखिए, ये option D में gap is there between triangle. There is no reason for a gap ना, because this is in the edge. So when you open up also, the other part, the hole will be on the edge itself. इसलिए option D गलत है. And option C गलत है because the number of shapes is getting more than the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 4 shapes only. When you are unfolding it, that will be 4 times 4, 16 pieces. Not more than that. Here it is more than that, so option C भी गलत है. And option A में problem क्या है? ये flipping is not proper. Flipping is not done. Here it is right, here also it is right. That is wrong now. When you unfold it, take a paper and try this. Then you will get little more clarity. But exam hall में paper using will not be possible or will not be that practical. That is why practice the questions before exam hall itself, so that in exam hall you can imagine this. So ये flipping missing है option A में, so only option B satisfies. Option B satisfies all the conditions. So hope all of you understood this simple question, and this was another common question in 4 different question papers in 2023. 4 different subject question paper, the same type question was there. Another reasoning easy question. Make a try statement based question, or statement is given and you have to analyze the statement and answer it. Try it all of you. Those of you want to download our mobile application for free study materials, flashcards and full-length courses, the link is tagged in the live chat, and in the comment section also we will pin it, and in the description of the video you can find other free resources link also. Please check it, especially new students who are not aware of the resources. Okay, many of you got an answer, so I will explain. Choose the option that will make the following statement correct. Statement को correct बनाने वाला option कौन सा है? Let us check. Number of times the letter I occurs in this sentence is. ये sentence में I कितना बार occur कर रहा है? Let us count it. If you count number of I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 मिल रहा है, so 5 should be the answer ना. Many people made mistake in exam hall with this question, writing 5. 5 आंसर गलत है because 5, if that is the answer, that 5 word is part of the statement or sentence. वो 5 ये सेंटेंस के पार्ट है तो 5 में आई है तो वो भी काउंटेड होना चाहिए. 5 also have an I in it ना. That I added, it will not be 5, it will be 6 I's. But 6 अंडर करने के लिए टोटल स्टेटमेंट में 6 I's होना चाहिए. Luckily 6 में भी एक I है. That will make the count 6. All of you understood this? If you are putting 6 instead of the blank in place of blank, I in the 6 word, I here, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, 6 I's will be there. So 6 is the correct answer, because then only it will be correct statement. Statement को correct करना है ना. We need to make the statement correct. That can be correct only if option C is the answer, not option B. Is it clear all of you? Same question 2023 लाइफ साइंस में भी आया था, मैथमेटिकल साइंस में भी आया था, केमिकल साइंस में भी आया था. फिजिकल साइंस had it or not, I am not remembering it. So try this second question. Okay, I'll explain. If we count the number of appearance of the letter N, same like previous question. N count करना मतलब these are the N's available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you put 7 N are there. If you put 7 have one more N, that will make the statement correct. Sorry, statement incorrect. That is why 7 is not the answer. 8 enter किया तो unfortunately 8 में N नहीं है. That will make the count 7. That is contradicting the answer. But 9 answer किया तो 9 have 2 more N in it. That will make the count 9 correct. So option C is the answer. All of you understood? So option 3 or option C is the answer. Same question, one more was asked. This you can try as homework. Please try this as homework. So option D should be the correct answer. Now we will go to cubes and dices theory. Cubes and dices, make a try. After that I will teach you the cubes and dices theory. Make a try, all of you. And those of you are feeling that this session is useful, do hit the like button. That is the least you can do to support these kinds of initiatives. And if you want to support more, do share this video to maximum people and do comment on this video what you felt about this session. That way more people will be able to know about this course or this free lecture series. And June 2023 का series है ये. December 2023 का series already we completed. That also you can check out after watching this video. And do let me know if you want more years previous year question analysis just like this. If more people are coming and if more of you are interested, we will plan that. Do comment on this video, those of you are watching me live or recorded. So try this, all of you. Okay, I'll explain. Cube and dice is a topic that needs some time to teach all the theory in detail. That is why we will just briefly discuss. The logic behind the theory we will discuss in the complete course detailed video. We are discussing that. Now we will just take the formula for this. Question is asking what? Consider a cube of side 50 inch. 50 inch वाला एक cube है. ऐसा एक cube है. After painting it red. Painting it red is not necessary. Any color if you paint also answer will be same. It is cut into 10-inch cubes. 50-inch cube को 10-inch cube बनाने के लिए you have to cut it into 5 slices like this ना. Not only horizontal, vertically also you have to cut it into 5 slices like this. And through this depth also you have to cut it into 5 slices like this. All of you are understanding this, please respond. ये clear है सबको? Then total number of slices will be 5 into 5 into 5 because each 5 slices, so 5 into 5 into 5, 125 slices नहीं, cubes का number 125 होगा. The number of 10-inch cubes are 125. I hope all of you understood that. Question is not asking total number. वो 125 cubes में कितना cubes? At least 2 faces red है. 2 of there. कम से कम 2 faces red होना चाहिए. कम से कम 2 मतलब 2 faces red होना भी possible है. 3 faces red होना भी possible है. 3 से ज़्यादा face colored होना impossible है. Maximum 3 face only can be colored. Because when from outside you cannot see more than 3 faces of any cube. So maximum 3 faces only can be colored. So 3 face painted का number और 2 face painted का number add करना है. 2 face painted का number 12 into n minus 2 है, where n is the number of rows, number of columns and number of depth. Here in this flashcard I have given the example of a 3 by 3 by 3 cube. So n के जगह 3 होगा. So 3 by 3 minus 2, 12 into 3 minus 2. That is 12. But if it is 5 by 5 by 5 cube, if it is 6 by 6 by 6 cube, then what will happen? 3 by 3 by 3 cube means, we discussed already. 5 by 5 by 5 cube means substituting you will get 12 into 5 minus 2. That is 12 into 3, 36 will be the total number of 2 face painted cube. 2 face painted cube 36 होगा. Did you all understood this? 2 face painted और 3 face painted का sum होगा final answer because at least 2 face painted. So 2 face painted 36 है already clear. 3 face painted always 8 होगा because 3 face paint होने के लिए वो corner वाला cube होना चाहिए. एक big cube का corner 8 corners है, so 8 will be the answer for all the cubes, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 over 6 or 6 by 6, any n by n by n cube, it will always be 8. All of you clear? So 3 face painted 8, ये दोनों का sum होगा final answer, so add किया तो 44 मिलेगा, so 44 is the answer. I just briefly discussed because this theory is little time consuming to explain. Those of you are part of my complete course, check the lecture. Cubes and dice is a separate topic we are discussing. Cubes and dice means cubes का जगह cuboid भी आ सकता है, उसका भी formulas derive कर सकता है. So cubes and dice is last 2-3 years they have started asking this topic. So cubes and dice also comparatively not very mark consuming chapter, but once in a while they are asking, and especially last 2-3 years they have started asking. So I think this much is clear. Then we will go to the next question, ranking and ordering chapter problem. Anjana, you are asking about which question? Second question means second question in today's class you are asking. Let me check. Try the next question, all of you. Are you asking about the largest number of father son pair that can exist in the group of 4 men? That question you're asking? No, the answer should be option A. We already discussed that, na? 3 pair only is possible. How 4 pair? Can you explain? We will check that. If you got 4 pair, explain it. I will check whether that explanation is correct. So these kinds of questions are called sequential ordering question, a variety of ranking and ordering chapter. Ranking and ordering chapter also, nowadays they are asking more questions from this area. So among A, B, C, D, C is shorter than D. So ranking ordering means one type of question is where you have to use the ranking ordering formula, left rank plus right rank minus 1. That is position test question that are called. Another type is called sequential ordering question, which are more easier. This is a sequential ordering question. Sequential ordering question may you have to use the visual method. As I told in many of my previous classes, you should be flexible with the 15 shortcut methods we discussed in the General Aptitude shortcut method videos. So shortcut methods clear है तो बहुत सारा questions easy होगा. ये question में shortcut method I mean ये questions easily understand करने के लिए visual method is the best thing. Visual method means visualize the situation. How? Height and smartness are the two variables. According to them, arrange them vertically or horizontally. B is taller than D, so B above D hai, but not smarter. Smartness we will discuss later. A is not taller than C, so A below C hai, but smarter than C. So, there is one more sentence. C is shorter than D. C shorter than D means C is below D. B is taller than D, that is represented. A is not taller than C means A is below C, we can say. A is not taller, so A is below C, but smarter than C. So this is the sequential arrangement or sequential ordering about the height of the people. I hope all of you understood the height of the people will be B, D, C, A in the decreasing order. Now smartness, if you represent, smartness ka sentences separately analyze kariye so that no confusion is there. C is but means C is smarter than D. C के बारे में first person के बारे में ही दिया है. When the word but or and, then you have to refer to the former person. If it is who, then you have to refer to the latter person. Some people have confusion like that. C is shorter than D. Who is smarter than E means D is smarter than E then. C is shorter than D but means C is smarter than D. C above D according to smartness. But not smarter than D. Who? B is not smarter than D, so B is less smart than D, we can assume. A is smarter than C, so A above C. So A above C above D above B, that is the arrangement of smartness. अभी options check करिए कौन सा option. Tallest person B है, shortest person A है, smartest person A है, least smart person B है. So A is shortest, B is least smart. A is shortest, B is least smart is correct. So option A is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना? Very trivial question. That's why I told you. This is called sequential ordering type question. Next question or next type in ranking ordering chapter is position test question. Position test question का एक example ये है. June 2023 में position test वाला question भी आया था. Try this all of you. यहाँ भी विजुअल मेथड बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है और फॉर्मूला चाहिए तो फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर सकता है. टॉप रैंक प्लस बॉटम रैंक माइनस 1 इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल. Once again, let me clarify. This session is like I am trying to give you idea about all the chapters through the latest previous year questions. Because practicing too much old question paper is not enough. Latest question paper you should practice, then only you will get proper idea what CSIR is expecting from you. Every year pattern is not changing, but sometimes one chapter questions are more, another time another chapter questions are more. And also new small topics CSIR try to add more. It is not like pattern change or anything. Like logical reasoning मतलब वो एक general term है, उसके अंदर बहुत सारा chapters है. So last few years these kinds of chapter questions they have started asking more. So try this. Okay, so I'll explain. In a queue, A stands 14th from the front and B 17th from the last. Visual method use करिए. 14th from the front means A के पहले 13 people are there. There are 13 people before A. That is the meaning of 14th from the front. B 17th from the last means B after B 16 people are there. That is the meaning ना. C is exactly middle of the queue. Exactly word बहुत ही important है. Exactly middle means C के पहले वाला नंबर और C के बाद वाला नंबर इक्वल होना चाहिए. About number of people I am telling. As C is exactly middle in the queue, the number of people before C and number of people after C should be equal. Then only we can say, for example, ये 6th person middle है because उसके पहले 5 people है, उसके बाद 5 people है. So that is why he is in the middle or exactly middle we can say ना. So C is exactly middle means number of people before C and after C is equal. Now one more information, 16 persons between him and A. A और C के बीच में 16 people है. So here 16 people. Now look at it. A और C के बीच में 16 people means 16 people. A is 17th person plus 13 people. 16 plus 1, 17 plus 13. 30 people are before C. Before C 30 people means after C also 30 people because exactly middle. After C also 30 people. After C 30 people means number of people between B and C is very easy. 16. B is one more person, don't forget that. 17. So 13 more people should be between B and C so that 30 count can be satisfied. So option C is the answer. सबको clear है ये? Picture draw किया तो बहुत ही simple है. Notes are provided here. Just like this in complete course, recorded video course, all questions, solution also will be provided as study material so that you can revise it so that you can use later also for better understanding. So try the next question then. Another miscellaneous logical reasoning problem. All of you make a try. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. In an assembly elections, parties A, B, C, D, E won 30, 25, 20, 10 and 4 seats respectively. So total seats is adding all these. Now, adding all these, what you will be getting? You will get 98 seats. 98 seats, keep this in mind. Total 98 seats are there. Based on this data, which of the following is incorrect? This is another thing. Some questions in exam hall, correct के जगह incorrect question में होगा, and in panic we don't see that word and you can make mistakes. So that is a problem. So you have to take a deliberate effort to read the question properly to avoid this problem. So no party has majority. Majority मतलब क्या है? आधा से भी ज़्यादा. That is called majority. 98 means more than half of 98. So 98 more than half is 49. 49. So 49 से 49 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. 49 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए majority. But none of the parties are getting more than 49. More than 49. That is why no party has majority is correct statement. Incorrect नहीं है. A and C together can form a government. Form a government के लिए majority होना चाहिए. That is the idea. So A and C together means 30 plus 20, 50. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 is a majority, so can form the government. वो भी correct statement है. So answer नहीं है because incorrect is the question. A and D with support of independence get the majority. A and C, sorry, A and D. A and D कितना votes है? 30 और 10 respectively दिया है. So 30 and 10, 40. Support of majority. Majority maximum कितना है? 9. All major, sorry, independence. Independence maximum कितना है? 9 people. So 49 people. Is 49 a majority? No. आधा majority नहीं है. आधा से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Strictly greater than half. Majority के लिए more than half होना चाहिए. That is why this is incorrect and so the answer. ये incorrect है. Option C is incorrect statement, so the answer. All of you clear? Please respond. Shraddha, that depends upon how much you are already clear about aptitude. If you are already good at aptitude, any of my courses, practice course are enough. Even an academic course is also fine. But if you are new to aptitude, I will suggest you go through a detailed course. Either this YouTube videos in this channel or the complete course we have launched in Christy's Classes mobile application. Both you can follow because that are the updated courses. My previous platform courses all are 6 months before I have taken those courses. So after that exams happened, so that questions or that content or that updated topics are also updated in the new course. So if you want, you can join that. Otherwise, practice के लिए definitely that courses will be still useful. You can use that. Okay, so any other doubts those of you have, you can mention it in the chat option or comment option. So this is another question, an optimization problem. Very interesting question. Easy question only. Try this all of you. Okay, I'll start explaining. A device needs 4 batteries to run. For example, maybe a toy car needs 4 batteries to run. Each battery run for 2 days. That means day 1, day 2, 2 days each battery will run. So battery A, battery B, battery C, battery D. If I am calling battery D, battery E, battery F if I am calling. Battery A have a validity of 2 days, day 1, day 2. Battery BB, day 1, day 2. Similarly, all 6 battery have 2-day capacity. If there are a total of 6 battery available, what is the maximum number? Maximum means optimize karna hai. Maximum number of days for which the device can be run by strategically replacing the battery. A same question in a different way was asked in 2 different NET exams before, 2017 and 16 if I am remembering it right. One was a question where a 3-wheeled vehicle have to travel every wheel can travel 30 kilometer, there is a spare wheel, so maximum how much kilometer. वो क्वेश्चन का एक सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन है ये क्वेश्चन. और दूसरा एक और क्वेश्चन था, उसमें आई थिंक इट वाज समथिंग लाइक पेंसिल्स और समथिंग, आई फॉरगॉट एग्जैक्टली द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, बट वो दो क्वेश्चन का एक सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन है ये क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज वो क्वेश्चन में ये स्ट्रैटेजिकली you have to think or you have to make some strategy that nothing was mentioned. That is why there are chances that students directly tick a simple obvious answer which was wrong. Here also, if you don't think, you may, or if you don't think more, you may think that 4 days के बाद complete finish हो जाएगा ना, because 4 days के बाद even if 2 batteries are remaining, 4 batteries finish हो गया, 4 batteries चाहिए device run करने के लिए. So then you may say option C is the answer. That is totally wrong. C is not the answer because, sorry, C नहीं, option A is the answer because 2 days के बाद complete हो जाएगा. Option A answer है, ऐसा सोचने का chances है, वो avoid करना है because option A is not the answer because by strategically replacing the battery means first day if I am using the first 4 battery A, B, C, D, मतलब A, B, C, D batteries का 1 day is over, 1 day is over, but each battery have 2 day capacity ना, मतलब ABCD 1 day के बाद 1 day capacity बचा है, तो 2 batteries को rest दे दो, 2 battery give rest to them. For example C and D batteries को rest दे दो एक दिन के लिए और नया 2 batteries replace करो, C and D replace करके नया 2 battery रखो, that is E and F. E and F have 2 battery, 2 day capacity remaining ना. A and B have 1 day capacity only. So day 2 के बाद A and B में 0 capacity बचेगा और E and F में 1 capacity बचेगा, एक दिन का capacity. C and D में एक दिन का capacity बचा है, so C and D use करके एक और दिन चला सकता है C and D and E and F use करके. Did you all understood? I will just summarize once more. इनिशियली 4 बैटरीज का 2 कैपेसिटी है, सो डे 1 के बाद वो 1-1-1-1 होगा, तो A एंड B को यूज किया और C एंड D रिप्लेस किया तो E एंड F का 2-2 बैटरी कैपेसिटी रिमेनिंग है. सो 2-2 कैपेसिटी मीन्स एक और दिन के बाद वो 1-1 होगा, A एंड B 0-0 होगा, दैट इज करेक्ट, बट A एंड B रिप्लेस करके C एंड D डाल सकता है, उसका कैपेसिटी 1-1 है ना, एंड E एंड F का भी 1-1 है. सो वो डे 3 के बाद चारों 0 हो जाएगा, सो डे 3 या 3 days is the answer. That is a totally different question, a miscellaneous reasoning question. Hope all of you understood this. This is a homework question for you in June 2023. This was also asked, and this is also a homework question. Spatial aptitude का एक different version question था ये. So that is about the most important logical reasoning questions asked in June 2023. That is what we discussed. Hope this session was useful. More such theory and all, you all are welcome to be part of our complete course. It is available at a very nominal price with the study material. It is a nominal price for about 55 lecture videos. 55 lecture videos means almost 70 hours of content and study materials, flashcards, class notes, practice material, test series, all included. You can get it at this price, and more about it is mentioned here. And if you want only flashcards, that is currently available at an offer price of 99 rupee. Flashcard online ebook is available in Christy's classes mobile application. Many other free material, even in this complete course also, you can see free demo videos. 1 or 2 topics are already covered in the demo video. By downloading mobile application, whether you want to join the course or not, the demo video will be helpful for you to learn those topics. So 6-month subscription and 1-year subscription is available. This course, as I told, is along with the study material we have mentioned. These are the 4 study materials you will be getting along with this course. So any other doubts if you have, you can ask about this course also. If you have doubt, you can ask in the live chat or in the comment section, or you can directly contact us in this contact number and you can get it clarified. and the all other free resources link also is available in the description of this video. One more time, gentle request to all of you, if you want more free classes, try to invite your friends to the upcoming free classes. And paid course also, if anyone want to attend it, do recommend it to more and more people. Support these initiatives, because now earlier I was part of a bigger platform where it was easier to reach. Support is very much needed for more such courses to be launched, and for this platform also to reach to more and more people. So if you think that my contents are my content is good or my classes are good, do recommend it to your friends. And as a printed material, if you want my content, you can check it out in Amazon and Flipkart. For the last 10 years, I am developing content for CSIR-NET General Aptitude in particular, and I have trained almost 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants itself for General Aptitude section in the last 10 years. So I am one of the General Aptitude faculty who have trained maybe maximum number of people for CSIR-NET Part A section. Because more than any other exams, I have devoted much more of my time on this CSIR-NET exam itself. Along with that, I give classes for Civil Service Aptitude and also Gauge General Aptitude and Speed Maths also. I am an international similar playlist we have given, and September 2022 ka bhi detailed videos are available. So check the channel and try to share this channel to maximum people. That's a gentle request to all of you. Try to share and try to let your friends know that there is such a channel if you think that this channel is doing good. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you all on the next class. Most probably tomorrow 2 p.m. will be the next lecture in the series. 3 lectures. We will be completing 30 questions of aptitude section of June 2023. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.